In this video, we'll go through step by step and replace the battery in an Audi S4 key fob. This is an easy process. You can do it yourself at home. All you'll need is one replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You can find these online. They're very inexpensive. If you're interested, go click that first link in the description. That link will take you right over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. To open this up, we first just want to flip it over, find the button on the back, and hold that down while we pull out this internal key. Now over here on the front, on this tab here on the bottom, that's actually a button. You can see how that goes down. So we're going to hold that down, hold down the button, and pull on the tab and wiggle out this plastic piece. Right here we have the battery. You could just pop that out. Take your new CR2032, and when you're ready to put that in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text there is facing down. So click that into place, positive side down, and now we can just slide this back in. So put it in, battery facing up, buttons facing up, and it just slides in like that. You push it all the way down, and now put the metal key right back on there and click it into place. If you want to make sure that everything is working, it's hard to see on camera here, but make sure that light is turning on. That means your battery is charged and you did everything correctly and you are good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come on back to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.